Hello everyone, I am Sagar Sopanamkar from Upload and today date is 7 February 2022 and today our topic is array. Basically, array is the used in traditional language as like to C and C++. Array is used to C and C++ to collection of the many elements and stored in specific location. This is the mainly used in traditional language C and C++. Here, array. Array is the collection of the any items or any things and which is stored and which is arranging and specific order and which is stored in a specific location. Array in Java. The Java concept array is the collection of the elements or collection of the items but similar data types but similar data types and which is stored in and which is arranging in specific order. Here, array is the primitive data types because array size is fixed. Then array. There are the simple syntax of the array is to return data types and then the open square bracket. That is the specification of initialization of the array. Then array's name and then new. Here new is the object creating to heap memories. Then again return data types. Then or size of the array in square brackets. Then the types of the array. There are two types of the array. First one is the single dimensional and second one is the multi-dimensional. We see first single dimensional. Single dimensional is the to arrange the elements for data to specific manner as like to rows, row wise and column wise. Here, if we store the data in row wise, then the syntax of the single dimensional array is the return data types, then array name, and then size of the array. Here, to see one small example. Here, return data types is the integer int then open square bracket here initialization of the array say then a is the name of the array then is equal to new here object and then the elements of or size of the array. Then the second types of the array is the multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is the stored in more than two dimensional array means to use two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, and numbers of the n numbers of the dimensional of the array. For example, two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array is the to arrange two rows and two columns. Then the three-dimensional array. Three-dimensional array is as like two-dimensional array, but which is arranged to three rows and three columns. Then multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is this as like to say. And then the syntax of the two-dimensional array is syntax of the two-dimensional array is for example syntax uh, return data types then array name then two open square bracket and two closing square bracket here and then is equal to new then return data types then two open square and closing square here first open square is to represent size of the rows and second is a represent of size of the columns. Here the simple example to int a is the array then opens two square that represent two rows and columns then is equal to new and int then return data types and firstly open square is that represent I size of the I means here two dimensional arrays two rows and then second j is the to represents columns hence columns is the j then size of the columns is 2. Then the anonymous array. Anonymous array is the basic types of the single dimensional array which is not any represent the names that is the array. It is a mainly purpose of the instantly use in this array. Then jagged array. Jagged array is the jagged array is the to used to mainly basically multi-dimensional array, which is to arrange array of array. It is mainly used in array of array, and it is to stored in array of array, and it is size is not fixed. It is a difference and difference row and difference columns. Then to represent the array is for loop, and then another to represent the array to for each loop. For each loop is the basically printers of the array, and it is used to print of the array, and basically to all elements of the for loop and this array to represent one by one. Then the advantages of the array. The advantages of the array is optimize the code, and to achieve or represent element by the index for within a seconds. And the disadvantages of the array is, the mainly disadvantages of array is the fixed size of the array, because here for example the given array size is a 5, and I want to store element in 6 that array. Here it is condition is not possible because the array size is out of bound. Then here I want then the I want to the given array is to 50 size, and I want to only 10 element store. Then 40 of size, then lost the memory. Here then then the mainly disadvantage of the this array. Then and this overall the information of the this array. Thank you.